If I tell you that you can earn money by watching YouTube videos, you can earn $2 for free by watching YouTube videos for 60 seconds. You can potentially earn thousands of dollars from this new and completely free worldwide website that I'm going to show you. Who said watching YouTube videos was a waste of time? Now you can sit back and enjoy watching videos while paying for them all. All you need to do is sign up on this new and completely free website, go to YouTube and watch some videos, and it's easy to make quick money online just by watching YouTube videos. You will get paid for free and you can't get any better. But before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel where we teach you how to make money online the easy way, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Now let's come back to this video. First, you need to have a YouTube account. Now if you don't have one, I want you to go to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. Click sign in, then create an account for yourself. Type your first name, last name, your email address. Create a password and then click next. I'll show you how to use this platform later to help you earn a lot of money and get maximum results, and it's 100% free. So make sure you don't skip any part of the video and stay with me till the end. Now the next thing, you need to know how you will be earning. Many people make the mistake of going straight to any of these websites that pay them to complete various tasks and then actually start making money on these websites. But when it comes time to withdraw their money, they have no idea how and where to do it. No need to worry, because we've got you covered. PayPal is one of the best ways to collect your earnings and withdraw your money. Because it's completely free, it's available all over the world, and you'll get paid easily and instantly. So before we start, you need to go to paypal.com and here just sign up button. Click on the sign up. Process is very simple and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Now let's go to picoworkers.com. It's an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners from around the world with easy and cheap jobs. This is our money-making website. PicoWorkers can help you online in many ways. Helps in earning money. You may be currently employed or just looking for a side hustle, or you want to earn some extra money online from websites that pay you just to watch videos. You can do it in your spare time, and you don't need any special skills or experience, because all you have to do is press the play button on the video, watch it, and collect your earnings. You can also be a part of it. So if you go to picoworkers.com, click on freelance and earn, and it will take you to this page. Will be gone, where you can see how much money people are making daily using this website, and even hourly. These are the workers who are making money online. See the latest workers who complete the work and their results here at PicoWorkers. We have the latest completed works. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, and many more. They literally have people from different countries all over the world with this website. People are earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. We have people earning a few dollars, $100, $500. We also have people earning $1,000. It's quite amazing. Here in the freelance and earnings section, you will also see the most recent requested refund. You can view all proof of payments on this website here. They actually have different payment systems, and this is the amount that people have cashed out. Don't expect it to replace your money. A day job is just one thing you can do to supplement your current income. So now that you are on the freelance and earn section, I want you to click sign up here to create a free account and start earning some money with your real name and enter a valid email address. Create password, username, and select country. As you can see, this is a complete list of countries that welcome people from all over the world, so just select the country. You are here, and after completing the whole sign up process, you can now start making money online. I will show you how to do it once you have successfully created an account. Now you can log in and your new freelance account will look like. You will see different jobs available here. Different jobs mean different money. On the right side of the page, you will see how much money you are potentially making. Now I want you to change the category section here to video marketing and click on apply. Now what will happen is it will show you these different jobs available. You have thousands of jobs to choose from that you can complete and get paid for, all of them paying you to watch videos. Imagine all you have to do is click on a YouTube video. Need to do and watch it at your leisure. You can do this in your home whenever and wherever you want while still getting paid. Let's get back to the video on how it works. Just click on any job available here, as this is a new account. You will need to submit a little information about yourself. Type your date of birth on the left and type in your city, a security question, and answer the question below and save. Now you can see how much you will be paid just by watching this video of what the workers are expected to do. First, you need to go to youtube.com and search next for that word. You have to type it. Don't copy a third search for video with this image. Remember not to use any filter like new uploads or any other while searching. Because you won't get paid after that. Don't ignore the video to watch it for at least 9 minutes where you won't get paid. The trick is to mute the video and stop playing it so you can actually. I don't do that. Must watch the whole thing, and by doing this you will earn money online. You must also like the video. So you have to watch the video and then click the like button to see. It's so easy. I repeat, you can leave these videos playing in the background and it will still count. However, there won't be that many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos. You can also complete other jobs or tasks if you want to get maximum results and earn more money in Pico Workers for free. They're also really easy and even complete beginners can do them. It's a microjobs website where people will pay you to like their posts, just like Facebook, and it's literally just one button. Taps and you will be paid for it. That's all it takes to sign up on a free platform. All you have to do is visit a website. So you're just going to click on the link and get paid for it, and it's not that easy. To be sure, the pay isn't that high, but consider the amount of work involved. I believe if you want an online side hustle, it's worth it. So maybe invest the money earned by Pico Workers into something you believe will have value over time. Will increase. So they offer jobs like signing up for different platforms where you have to do everything. The first and last name provides an email address. And then you get paid. There are literally thousands of different jobs that you can do, and you can complete as many tasks as you want. You might have noticed that people are already making thousands of dollars on this website. I hope you have learned today how to make money online just by watching YouTube videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.